So for this problem, to find the derivative for this product rule, so we have u times v, so this is equal to u times the derivative of v, then plus v times the derivative of u. So for this given, so this is u times v. So first, we need to find the values for u and dv and v and du. So from this given, u equals 5x minus 8, then du, so the derivative of u, so the derivative of 5x, this is 5, and the derivative of a constant, this one is 0, so du is equal to 5, then v, so this is equal to 4x plus 3, then for the derivative of v, so the derivative of 4x, this one is 4, then the derivative of a constant, this one is 0, so dv is equal to 4. So to find now the derivative, so we have y prime then equals, so substitute to this formula, so we have u, and u is equal to 5x minus 8, then times dv, and dv, so is equal to 4, then plus v, and v is equal to 4x plus 3, then times du, and du is equal to 5. Then simplify, so y prime equals multiply, so this one is 20x. Then negative 8 times 4, this is negative 32. Then plus multiply, so this one is 20x. Then 3 times 5, this is positive 15. Then simplify, so combine like terms. So this 20x plus 20x, this is equal to 40x. Then this negative 32 and positive 15. So this is equal to negative 17. So this is now the derivative. Then for this given, so again, this is u and v. So u equals 3x squared plus 2x. Then for the derivative of u, so the derivative of 3x squared, this is equal to 6x. Then plus the derivative of 2x, so this is 2. So du is equal to 6x plus 2. Then v, this is equal to 7x plus 5. Then dv, so the derivative of 7x, this one is 7. Then this one is 0. So dv is equal to 7. Then to find now the derivative, so y prime equals u, and u is equal to 3x squared plus 2x times dv, and dv is equal to 7, then plus v, v is equal to 7x plus 5, then times du, and du is equal to 6x plus 2. Then simplify, so 3x squared times 7, so this one is 21, x to the power 2. Then 2x times 7, this one is 14x. Then plus, so this 7x times 6x, so this one is 42x to the power 2. Then 7x times 2, so this is 14, then x. Then this 5 times 6x, so this is positive 30x. Then 5 times 2, this is positive 10. Then combine like terms, so we have y prime then equals, so this positive 21x squared and 42x squared, so this is positive 63 x to the power 2. Then for this 14x plus 14x, so this is 28x. Then 28 plus 30, so this is positive 58x. Then plus, bring down the constant, so plus 10. So this is now the derivative.